Hi guys and welcome back on my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to put your SIM card into the new Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. So let's do it. First thing, you need the pin from the box, and for that just open the box, and I think here is the pin. Now here is the slot for the SIM card and the SD card. Just put your pin here and push it like this and extract this. And now let's put the SIM card inside. This is my SIM. For this phone you need a nano SIM, so let's extract the SIM. This is micro, and let's extract again the SIM, and this is nano SIM. Okay, so this is the right position for your SIM, and this is the single SIM option. And if you want to put two SIMs in this phone, the second SIM you can put it here like this. Okay, so this is the second option if your phone is dual SIM. Now let's put here the SIM and just insert this into your phone like this, and now you can open your phone. Now to remove the SIM, just put the pin inside this hole again and push it like this, and remove the slot and remove the SIM. So this was my short tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and have a nice day.